After watching today's video, if I give you 50,000 naira and you still dey broke in 30 days, no be Nigeria problem. Now you, now your strategy. Make I ask you one question. If I give you 50,000 naira, will you spend it or will you multiply it? Because in Nigeria, this 2026, 50,000 naira no be big money at all. But as a matter of fact, it is still enough if you spend it wisely. This year, this is my first beginning this video because this video is very important to me. Sake of say, most Nigerians at the grassroots, they struggle financially. So in this video, I will show you 5 real businesses you can start with 50,000 naira, how to turn 50,000 naira into daily income, and the mindset where you need to make that difference. Somewhere in this video, I will show you something where you fit take change your financial life for the better permanently. So the first business where I go talk about na bread and akara business. That akara where you dey see, so if you know they too proud to sell it, if you buy one painter beans, the current price for 4,500 naira, you buy pepper 2,000 naira. Sake of say pepper don't cost, you buy onions 1,000 naira. Sake of say onions don't cost. That one how much? 7,500 naira. Now you go buy vegetable oil. You go fill your gas if you won't use gas. You go pay for space where you go use. Every day for bus stop, they pay 200 naira in the morning, 200 naira in the evening. So you see, say even 50,000 naira go reach you, it go remain. So you go still fit buy bread to continue the business and you go fit package them. If you don't want sell for bus stop, it's fine, I understand. If you want package and sell to people where they go office. You see, for early morning, for as early as 5:30, people buy bread and akara. Shocking, right? Now the thing where they see when I go work with that, I go see men, especially men, stopping, queuing to buy bread and akara for road. That person, that seller fit be you if you take that 50,000 naira seriously. You dey feel me? I want you to share your testimony with me at the end of this month. If you are serious with that 50,000 naira, share it with me and tell me how you have been using your 50,000 naira to scale. Believe me, with this thing where I don't count for ground, you know if you spend 50,000 naira finish before you start your business and you go start to the multiplier. You go buy bread, you buy 500 bread, you buy 1,000 bread, you buy 1,500 bread, anyone where people want. But mostly now between 500 and 1,000 bread, people they buy. Your current bread business don't stand. Later, you feel even they add plantain, they add yam by the side. Now your choice. The second business, now Zobo business. You see Zobo as you see, so now very good business to go into. I don't see many people where I don't advise go into Zobo business and they are doing tremendously well. Now, if you buy your Zobo leaf, you don't need buy up to one painter. If you buy half painter, say 4 to 5,000 naira, depending on your area. You buy your lemon, you buy ginger, you cook them for house, water, you buy pineapple. You see those people where they sell pineapple for road, they get the back of pineapple. You go meet them, collect back of pineapple, especially the one where say they know they treat their pineapple anyhow. You go meet them, sit down with them, okay? Tell them, say anytime when they sell pineapple, maybe they help you gather the back because of hygiene. So as you go gather that back, wash them yourself. Buy one brush where they take wash the back of pineapple. Wash them yourself. They use them for your Zobo. Then you go come buy pineapple itself. Then buy pineapple extract. Because if you buy plenty pineapple, the money will choke you small. You understand? Buy real pineapple. Buy real ginger. You see, people value quality. If they no say your Zobo, they taste different. Especially people where they go office. You go their office, they sell if you like packaging. If you don't mind to sell for roadside, you go sit down for your roadside. Sell them neatly. Nobody go disturb you. Now, for those selling in the office, you will need to package yourself. Buy all these containers where they take sell Zobo. One bottle of Zobo, you go to hear 1,000, 1,500. Oh boy, the amount where you take do that Zobo is not even close. Like you are making times 2, times 3 the profit. That is how profitable Zobo business is. If you like, you can make stickers, but make sure that when you're starting with your 50,000 naira, you go cheap market to buy them. If you buy 2 dozens, that is 24 bottles, and then do small sticker just for the body. If you cannot afford sticker yet, no do sticker. Those bottles are enough. If you are neat, it will show on that bottle. Then you go sell them for offices. People like that kind of neat drink. You know, say these days, people won't cut down on those artificial drinks. Yeah, they want something more natural. You go make them happy. Whether they like sugar or no, they don't like sugar. If you make 2 types, it gets one woman where they make Zobo will no get sugar at all. And she go to tell you, this one gets sugar, this one no get sugar. For someone like me, I do buy the one with no get sugar. People keep recommending her because she sells the Zobo that has no sugar. Most people want to go organic these days. Give Nigerians a chance. The third business, na spices business. You see, you feel they sell suya spice, rosemary spice, clove, dried ginger, dried garlic. You go the package them inside bottle. You get some bottle where they take package them. If I see that picture, I will show you for here. Those kind of bottle, you go the package your thing, they sell them to people. Steady. Go supermarket. even go normal market. Tell them, some of them feel dey skeptical to buy from you initially. Make sure say you seal am, or use those sealing machine wey dem dey take seal am. Yeah, look for supermarket wey dey very viable, wey dey sell market fast. Now tell them say if dey sell finish, you go come pick the money and then you supply them another one. That one na the third business wey you fit start with 50,000 naira. The fourth business wey you go start with 50,000 naira na cake and cupcake business. You see this cake business, e get one day I dey office, na im one girl come meet me say she dey sell cake, so she no wan patronize am. I come look say I like supporting other people's businesses, especially SMEs, right? So I love the fact that she was having a side hustle. I come tell her say, yeah, now bring the cake now. Behold, when she brought that cake, I realized that now one cake wey I don see well for YouTube, wey be say you don't need much to make that cake. Like, you don't even need much at all to make that cake. And she dey sell that cake 2,000 naira. She's making her money on that 2,000 naira. Imagine she buy the ingredients wey she go take make that cake, and she make that cake finish, and I dey buy 2,000 naira. Another person buy 2,000 naira. In one day, she'd sell 15 to 20 pieces of cakes. She spend. She no fit spend past 1,000 naira on top that cake. In fact, e no even reach 1,000 naira. But she has made her money 100%, and she has gained a customer. Good enough. She probably had learnt that skill on YouTube. So you go YouTube, go learn how to make small cake, cupcakes. All this cake wey dey for foil paper. Yeah, now that kind of cake I dey talk. Sell them. People buy them easily. People buy them for their children. People buy them to work. People use it as lunch, especially those who don't trust other people's hygiene. They prefer to eat things like that. And so some people just get sweet tooth, right? They just want to eat. That way, you don't start to build business by the side. If people get contract, they won't do party, they won't do get together, they won't do send forth. They could contract you for this kind of business. That person now, when we won't do send forth for our office, people tell us, say, okay, make she bring cake now, make she bring some cupcakes, and she charge them, and they paid her for it. Now, so you feel they also make your side hustle or your main business with just 50,000 naira. The fifth business, now organic fruit drink business. Those fruits where you go K2 market. If you don't know where to buy them, I will tell you. Go K2 market. Early momo. Then you go there. If you know if you buy as in bulk like that as one person, look for another person where you go share with. In that market, other women who sell fruits come there. Some who want to use it for personal consumption also come there. And they may not be able to take the major share that the marketers are selling. So they team up, they buy it, and then they divide it right there at the market. Guess what? You buy your sack. You go put all those things. Maybe you buy pineapples, you buy oranges, you buy tangerine, all those seasonal fruits. Buy them, carry them, go your house, wash them well. Now fruit juicer for be your perfect thing for this thing. But if you no get fruit juicer, don't worry. You go use your normal blender for house. You go come buy sieve or cloth sieve. Please make sure say your hygiene na top notch. Don't miss out on it. Hygiene is so important. Wash your hand thoroughly. Wash those fruits thoroughly, and then wash whatever sieve you are using thoroughly. Then you go buy plastic. Buy 2 dozens. That's 24 bottles to start. You go start to fill them. Do you know that organic fruit drinks start from as low as 3,000 naira? You don't know wetin you dey miss. So if you start this business, you go take 1,000 naira, do this fruit, and you go dey sell them for 3,000 naira. Is that not 3 times the profit? So you see where they talk from. You still say with 50,000 naira, if you spend them wisely, you still fit make money for this same Nigeria wey me and you dey. You get different fruits wey if you do. You con still fit dey do some fruit combination, like when you put beetroot plus pineapple, watermelon plus beetroot plus banana. You get all those kind combo, and people know say na organic as you do am. They go patronize you. Now you go tire for the business. I tell you, before you know it, you grow enough to buy your own juicer, and then the business will become more comfortable for you, and you'll be able to supply more and more people. Guess what? When people know that you supply these drinks, buy different sizes of bottle, because not be everybody fit afford big bottle. Some, they will just want to treat themselves to good diet, so they go buy small bottle from you daily. Be prepared. Another business, now the business wey don dey common from time immemorial. This business, you and me, we know am. There are places where they close to your locality where you fit get to start this business at a very reasonable price. And this business na Okrika business. Okrika business, especially in Nigeria of today, cannot go out of fashion. Why? Because it is tough in this country. Many people cannot even afford to buy brand new wares, so they go for these okay clothes. Now, there are markets that may be close to you. Talk of Arena Market, talk of Katangwa Market, talk of Lagos Island Market, talk of Badagry, talk of Trade Fair. That's under the bridge, Trade Fair. Talk of Answani Market. Those are major markets. Now, there are markets in your locality At your bus stop, those people will bring their stuff and they will come and display it very early in the morning, and you can still pick some nice things if you want to resell them. There is another thing you can do. You see, those markets do focus on certain days. Go there, find out what days they focus on. Some will tell you Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Now, you see, on that Monday, allow those people that have big money to go and make all the choices in the morning. Now, go around afternoon. When you know that they will already have sold the choicest one, they would have collected the biggest monies from those ones that have the money to pay. You that have just 50,000 naira and you want to maximize it, go in the afternoon and go and do clearance. Because in the morning, their eye go dey chook. They no wan listen to you. But talk of afternoon stroke evening, they know say they don dey go house. So they won't do that clearance. They won't sell am off sharp sharp. So you go buy by that time. The money go dey reasonable. You go, you fit wash am, iron am, and resell am. Some you don't even need to wash and iron. Now you go just resell am like that. Because if you get taste, people no go mind if na okay you dey sell to them directly. Taste and quality, dey important. Some people even concentrate on buying designer clothing, even in Okrika. They go dey check labels because they know say for that designer clothing, the person wey dey sell fit no know say designer dey important. But you see, you wey you know the people wey you wan sell am for, you go know say that designer na you go take collect your money. So the top wey you buy for 1,000 naira, because na designer and some people freak designer, you fit sell am for 4,000 naira, 5,000 naira, and they go buy from you. Is that not cool money? Just do this turnover and you'll see how much you'll be making in no time. Now, listen carefully. All these businesses where I just share, I'm just scratching the surface. On this channel, we share lots of business ideas. We talk about investment, everything about making money, personal finance, and in my book, The African-Naija Money Capsule, I broke down more businesses, step-by-step setup, real-life strategies, mistakes to avoid. These businesses, now small businesses, where we say you fit start as long as you are in Africa. Now, if you are in the diaspora where you get people, you get brother, you get sister, you get somebody where you say, don't they collect your money until you never reach, until the money no reach, until that business where you set up for me, you don't die, until I try to do that business, they scam me. Buy this book for them. Now, read along with them or tell them to share with you what they learned in that book. Tell them to pick one business where they won't start from that book, because that book don't break down how they go fit do this business and scale. So tell them to tell you which business they pick from that book and how much they need to execute that business. Believe me, with 50,000 naira, you fit start each of the businesses on that book. As at the time that book was written, with 30,000 naira, you go conveniently start those businesses. But now, with 50,000 naira, you can start. And when you have more, oh boy, you go even enjoy the business on the grander scale. That book will tell you all the mistakes to avoid in starting these small businesses. Those ideas where I share for that book, now practical Nigerian tested ideas. If you're serious about changing your financial life, the link will be in the description below. The first link in the description below will avail you that. 50,000 naira can finish in one day, or it can change your life forever. The choice is yours. If you're seeing my face for the first time, I'm Olufunke Odiode, and I would advise you to watch these videos next. I'll see you in the next video.